I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing my beginner/intermediate warm-up for the 2023 season. I always make a warm-up every year, and this year I thought I should share a new one with you guys because it's been since like 2020 since I've shared a warm-up. I do it at the start of every class. It's a great way of getting your ankles, feet, legs, whole body just ready for class, ready for practice. So yeah, whether you're doing this right before you get into a class or you just feel like tapping along with me, this is a great video for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the warm-up. You're just going to do it with me. I'm going to write all the steps in the description. That way you can just find this video, turn it on, and get class started. So let's go ahead and get into it. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed this. I think it was always a great way to start class because it got students just centered and ready to go. And then we're all warm and ready to start getting into like the rest of class, you know? So hopefully you really enjoyed this. Again, all the steps are listed down below. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We have warm-ups like this, technique exercises, step tutorials, choreography tutorials, I already said warm-ups, vlogs, challenges, all kinds of stuff on this channel. It's all free TAP resources and it's all for you. So make sure you subscribe because it is the single best way of helping this channel. Also hit the thumbs up because it tells YouTube that people like tap dance, and we definitely want YouTube to know that. So subscribe, thumbs up. Thanks for warming up with me today, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.